All right, here is question number 10, which reads, a composite solid consists of a cone on top of a cylinder. The cone is 8 centimeters high and its slanted height is 10 centimeters. If the solid is 18 centimeters high, we're asked to calculate the volume of the solid to two significant figures. All right, let's get started. First of all, let us sketch the solid. So this is just the sketch of the solid. You can see the mounted cone right here. And the solid has a height of 18 centimeters, but the mounted cone has a slanted height of 10 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters, which implies that the cylinder will have a height of 10 centimeters. If you take away 8 from the total height, you have 10 left. Therefore, the cylinder will have 10 centimeters as its height. Then look at the radius here because we need it. Having a right angle triangle right here, we can apply Pythagoras rule to find the value of r. So r will be equal to the square root of the hypotenuse squared, which is 10 squared, minus the opposite side squared, which is 8 squared. R equal to the square root of 100 minus 64. R equal to is the square root of 36. And finally, r equal to 6 centimeters. So the radius of this figure is 6 centimeters. So how can we find the volume? We're going to find the volume of a cone, find the volume of a cylinder, then add them together to get the total volume of the solid. So volume of cone, let me start with cone. Volume of cone will be equal to 1 divided by 3 pi r squared h, right? So let me substitute. We have 1 over 3. Pi is not given, but commonly we use 22 divided by 7 in Nigeria. So we have 22 divided by 7. Then multiplied by r squared, which is 6 squared, 6 times 6, right? 6 multiplied by 6. Then multiplied by the height of the cone, which is given as 8 centimeters. Let me reduce it a little bit because I know 3 can go into 6 2 times. So what I have 1 times 22 times 2 times 6 times 8 divided by 7. And this is equal to 2,112 divided by 7. Let me stop here. Then going to the other part, volume of cylinder. Remember, it is equal to pi r squared h. So if we substitute, we have 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, that's 6 squared. Then multiplied by the height of the cylinder, which is 10. So we have 22 times 6 times 6 times 10. And this is equal to 7,920 divided by 7. So we need to add these two results together just to get the volume of the solid. Volume of solid. This is equal to 2112 divided by 7 plus 7,920 divided by 7. Let us add the numerators together. This is equal to 10,032 divided by 7. 1,433 approximately centimeter cube. But remember, we're asked to round it to two significant figures, right? So therefore, where are our significant figures? 1, 2. So we're going to set this to be equal to 0. Therefore, finally, we have the volume to be equal to 1,400 centimeter cubed. So this is what we have as our volume. And this is all about question number 10. Now let us move on to question number 11.